everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1952 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. Gorgeous truck, guys. This is all steel, custom Restomod pickup truck. Very nicely done. This truck's actually been done, they said, for about 12 years. It's got like 3,100 miles on it and very well maintained. Beautiful color. This is dark cherry, so it's a deep, deep red burgundy color. It's got a custom two-tone silver and black interior. Killer truck, man. Runs and drives outstanding. Again, really slick paint, all steel, just a killer little fat fender truck. Billet Specialty wheels. It's got cruise control. I love the color. This is actually a GM color. GM dark cherry, he called it. Very nicely done truck. It's got the functional cowl. It's just not a chip or anything, something on it. All new glass, electric wipers. It's got tinted glass in it too, you can see that. Dual chrome mirrors. Custom oak bed, they painted the strips in there. That is a gorgeous truck. Little stone peck right there we got to get touched up. That is really it. There is not much to really nitpick on this truck. It is gorgeous. Again, very well maintained truck. Sits good. I love these fat fender trucks. 17-inch Billet Specialty wheels on it. I know some guys don't like to change because they'll chip. That's why they got the plastic covering on them. That is a killer truck. Front disc brakes. That thing is pretty. It's a 350 Chevy engine. It's got a nice little cam in it. It does have the Holley Sniper Sniper 2 EFI kit on it. Edelbrock aluminum intake, ceramic headers. It's got the GM double hump heads. It's got aftermarket vintage AC. Again, power steering, power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. .350 turbohydramatic trans. Beautiful paint. Really slick paint. Got the dual chrome mirrors on it, new door handles. I mean, you can tell somebody loved this truck. Very comfortable seat. Tilt column with a billet steering wheel. I love the wood on the steering wheel. It's got a cluster instruments gauge cluster in it. 3114, that's the miles on the truck. It's got a Sun Pro tach in it, retro or Audiosounds radio. It's got all billet trim. Again, love this. Very, very nice. Very nice truck. Dual exhaust. It's a GM 10-bolt rear axle. No big gear. Definitely, like I say, the truck's built to cruise. It's got 4-corner coilovers all the way around it. Now, if you're looking for something to have a blast with, I think you will love this truck. Really pretty paint. Again, seat's nice. This is some paperwork on the car that came with it. That's also the plug-in for your Holley Sniper. There's an original owner's manual in there too. Again, nice little cam to it. Air blows cold. Oh, that's a shut-off switch. You can power it off. Yeah, nice little cam, man. Great sound. Gauges are all functional, holding good oil pressure. Tach works. Again, cruise control, that's what's underneath on the inner fender there. Everything opens and shuts nice. Get good sound. Little Lobe cam to it. Good sounding small block. Sound? Am I getting any sound or just not picking up a station?
It's picking up a station.
Blower motor control all works down here. We'll look to see if it's not. It's got an antenna on it. I know the wipers are functional. The cowl works. Electric wipers. It's got those, yeah, I love the headlights on this thing. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is to our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Look at how pretty that thing is. I love the sound. Radio works. He's got the radio working in there.